What up YouTube, it's your boy Detroit Love with another video. Today we're going to look at a bag modified to hide my battery in my RadCity. Alright, so this just showed up. Oh, this don't look like the large one. This is tiny. Well, I guess it is a large one, but much smaller than I thought it would be. I guess it fits perfectly. When you say large, I just had a larger picture in my head than this. So that's like almost exactly the size of that once you flex this. So how am I going to go about this? So it really doesn't leave much room. This large bag doesn't seem so large now, huh? I don't know if there's a way to even get this in here, but it has to slide from the top. And the people that made the recommendation had rovers and a previous year rover, so I'm thinking the battery must be a different size with those, because there's no way this is going in here without a huge struggle, and there's no way it will go in there while that's mounted. So I mean, and then I would have to have a hole on this side to charge, wherever that is, somewhere on that side. Okay, right up in here. So there had to be a hole in there for charging. So if I was to get this on in any type of fashion, it basically, I wouldn't be taking this off the charge, which means I couldn't have an extra battery and swap them out, right? So this is not a good fit. So do I press the issue and try to make this work and ruin a good bag? So it definitely goes in there to conceal. It's just, how do you execute something like this? So this would go in there. Lower one wouldn't get used without an extension. So on the surface, that would hide it perfectly. So it even has the orange accents that would match with the bike. Well, not quite match, but closer than any other color. Well, I didn't want to have to gut this bag, but look like there's no other way to do that. It fits with a big butt. Very low room there once the battery's in there, and little room, not a whole lot of room. Even if you try to use this little bag, it's not a whole lot of room for anything in here. So it's not very easy to zip it back up once it's opened. So that's my challenge, to get this thing to work. I'm going to have to gut it up the center and then fit it back around, which is not going to look pretty. So definitely don't want to ruin a perfectly good bag I can use on my other bike, but it only cost me $2, less than $2, so it's worth the risk. So I'm assuming I want to be able to slide this thing on the top, so I want to leave the top so that's quite closed and concealed. Split the belly, and the back is pretty big. The back of the battery is the widest part, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut up to this strap, at least up to the strap. The strap is really unusable the way it is on this because it's too short with that controller box being down there. So up to that strap, but leave this part as much as possible. So let's commence the cutting. Please be gentle. So it goes this way with the straps on top. So I want to conserve as much of this as possible, and hopefully I can cut straight down the center without deviating too much. I don't want to cut the actual bag on the sides. That cut pretty easily. Got a little reinforced piece there, and up. I think I went a little from center there. Not as pretty as I would have. And I don't think there's no way I'm gonna keep that. Once that tear's there, there's no way it's not gonna expand. So I may have to seek other ways to secure that. So let's see if we can get this over that. I'll have to split. I'll have to split some more. At least I think I'm gonna have to go around the edge, around the curve. Just cuts it like butter when it's sharp. All right, so basically the whole bottom is opening up the side, trying to leave the front as much as possible. Guess I should zip this up first. So I'm gonna have to have some type of Velcro. I think on the bottom of the battery and then the bag. Got a couple of points to really seal that, otherwise it's wide open. Yeah, gonna need some type of I'll have to extend this, but it definitely will do the trick. Put Velcro on the bottom of that track and then on the inside of this bag, and I might have to sew going on the inside of the bag, because unfortunately that Velcro is going to get a lot of abuse taken off and taken back on. So that is what I will attempt to do. Let's try that. Let me go get the tools. It's called Extreme Outdoor All Weather Rough Surfaces Velcro. Holds up to 15 pounds. So I use this for. Probably cut just a little too high there, but I think it's okay. Down towards the bottom, you almost can't see it. I think I probably need to put a little piece of Velcro there, but down there it looks pretty good. The back, I extended this Velcro strap so it gets past that controller. It's bundled up all the way there. This side, it's a little plain Jane. This side looks pretty good. So we're going to take a look at how easy or difficult it is to get this bag off without ruining the Velcro. So is it a viable solution? So that's an actual pocket that you can still use, no problem. And there's still some space here to sit things on top, say like an inner tube or something. And you can have the tools in the other area. But there's no way to take this off because it's locked. It's kind of hard to get to the key, for one. So you have to take it off by removing. So let's see if I can get the Velcro off without making a mess of things. Without taking the glue off. On there pretty good. I might need a less grade of Velcro. It doesn't hold so tight. I might need to put some type of tabs to identify where those areas are. But if you can get it without taking the thicker part off, that's the key. You know? Each time I think you want to reinforce that. Show you how that looks. Fire. It's kind of dark. Can you see? I can't seem to see. Let's see, so you can see the Velcro's on. It's on the battery. I think I might have that on the battery instead of the bar. Might be on both. So the other piece is down there. Yeah. So I think that's on the battery, so I probably should have put it a little better. I couldn't see what I was attaching it to when I attached it initially. So it looks like that's the battery itself. I got this all crooked. Hate to take it off once it's up. Got two pieces on both sides. I don't know if I'm blocking this or not. This side looked like it was trying to give me a little trouble. You gotta make sure you get the Velcro and not the glue part. So I think I might put a little piece of tape or something on, or maybe even cut that strip a little smaller so that it's not the exact same size, so you can get under the net. Alright, but once you get that off, then just a matter of unclipping this and pulling up. I extended this Velcro here. You can see that. I extended this strap. You can see it now once I get it off. A little better. Extended this. You see that where the lettering is? That's a separate new Velcro strap that I just extended that width to get around that battery and post. So there you go. That's how you take it off. So the belly is just cut, and I got this Velcro on the bottom in two different spots. So the Velcro is on the battery itself. So it really should be a little thinner. Probably want to cut this. So I'm going to take a knife and just cut a little bit off, at least on the top, so I can take that off easier. So make these a little shorter. Flip it over. Put that piece on. And just Velcro this piece around the battery. There you go. Still get the reflective line. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys checking in on my videos. If you like seeing these RadCity videos, please subscribe, like, and share. If you're on a RadCity user group and you think this is helpful and others could learn from it, please share it there. I appreciate it. So guys, until next time, I'll see you on the web.